Today, we are demonstrating the replacement of disc brake pads on a sliding caliper. Let's get to it. Choose a good quality brake pad with excellent safety properties. You might also need a can of brake fluid, depending on your vehicle. We'll begin by removing the wheel. The thickness of the brake discs should be measured using a micrometer. Replace the brake disc if it is below the minimum thickness. Brake discs should always be replaced or skimmed when replacing brake pads to avoid common problems such as brake squeal and vibrations. Now, undo the bolts holding the caliper pins. Make sure to not remove the bolts holding the caliper to the suspension. Next, lift the caliper off its mountings. Remove the old pads Clean the caliper to remove all dust and dirt before inspecting the caliper pins. If you find them dirty or sticky, ensure you clean them thoroughly and apply a thin film of brake caliper grease so that the caliper can slide freely over them. Now, carefully push the piston back into the caliper. Make sure the pad is on the correct side before fitting it into the caliper. We need to ensure the pad can slide freely in the caliper without sticking before remounting the caliper to the bracket. The last and most crucial step is to test drive the vehicle under safe conditions to make sure the brake pads are well fitted and performing optimally.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.